Recording. Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. So today is the last class for exception handling. Okay, so we'll see how to create custom exceptions. Okay, and how to what are all the ways of creating custom exceptions and how can we manipulate them. Okay, guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen is visible?
No.
Let me share that. I can't share the screen. Why? Okay. Can you see my screen now? Why it's not?
ఏమనుకుంటా
అదే అదే చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది ఒక నిమిషం టెక్నికల్ గ్లిచ్ yeah now you can see my screen, right? Okay. Guys, what do you mean by custom exceptions? What is custom exception? చెప్పండి.
Based on our requirement,
Yes.
we need to provide.
Based on our requirement, we'll throw the exception accordingly. Okay. Other matter concept. Okay. Suppose if you feel age not sufficient for vote, you can throw age not sufficient exception. Okay. And the whole thing is how to create this exception class. That's the whole thing. Okay. That's the ultimate criteria. Yeah, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check that. Okay. Yeah. So we have already some class called check exception, right? Right. I don't know. So here we'll take simple if else block. Okay. Guys, just we'll create a class. Okay. New class age plus exception. Okay. The class name should be the same, guys. Okay. Whatever the exception name you want to get, you name the same with the class name only. Okay. Suppose in the exception you want to get ageless exception, then you give the same name only. Okay. Right. And your class should extend the runtime exception. Okay. Or any exception class. Am I correct? This is important, guys. Okay. Extends runtime exception. Guys, is that clear?
Only runtime exception.
No, you can keep exception also. Okay. Anything. Okay. What I'm trying to say, if you are extending from runtime exception, your ageless exception will be unchecked exception. If you are extending from checked exception, sorry, if you're extending from, exception, that's a checked exception, right? Let me see. If you are extending from runtime exception, okay, then as you guys know, runtime exception is unchecked, right? Then your accordingly the age not sufficient exception will behave the same way. Okay. Then age not sufficient exception will behave like unchecked exception. Okay. Harka, is that clear?
Yes.
Will be unchecked. Unchecked means there won't be any comparison issue. Am I correct? If you're not handling, am I correct? That's the behavior you can expect. Okay. Suppose the same line, if you copy paste, if you're extending from exception, okay, then age not sufficient will be checked exception. Ante kada? Guys, is that clear? Checked exception means you should have a try catch or throws unless it's a compilation error. Am I correct? Antena? And just let us put that into the code. Okay. So by using in the main class, by using the scanner class, you read the okay. So scanner C equal to Hi, Neha.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we'll read that age, okay? Int age equal to, okay? Okay. If age is less than 18, okay, you can throw new ageless exception. Am I correct? Guys, is that clear? Hello? Harika, is that clear?
Yes.
Ante kada, just let us run the code and we'll see. And okay, we wantedly enter the age, less than 18, okay, to make the exception happen, okay? Okay. Not getting console output. Why? Guys, I'm not getting the console output. Where is that? Somewhere blocked.
Taking that, బోర్డ్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ లెఫ్ట్ లో వచ్చింది కదా
ఎక్కడ? Okay.
బోర్డ్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ లెఫ్ట్ లో వచ్చింది కదా అక్కడ కిందన సిస్టమ్ సింబల్ ఉంది ఇది.
Where? Da.
బోర్డ్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ ఉంది కదా
Dashboard. Where?
అదే మన
ఇది yeah, okay.
అక్కడ రైట్
Open console. Okay. No, it's not open. Just will print some output. Okay. Just then we'll get to know. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, now we'll enter the age. Okay. Age is 10. Okay. Now you see, guys, I'm getting this exception. Let's see. Check one dot ageless exception. Am I correct? See, why? See, you might be thinking you can return some text string. Okay. But I told if you throw the exception, the response time is very quick. Okay. Guys, is that clear? Okay. So if you want to customize that, okay, if you want to customize now, you can pass some string like that. Okay. Please enter age above 18. Okay. Please enter age above 18. Okay. So in this way, you can create a custom exception. Okay. But once you throw this exception, you need to have a constructor over here. Okay. And you need to pass that string to superclass. Okay. Just follow what I'm doing over here. Okay. String str, super of str. Guys, this is the thing you need to do. Okay. If you're passing a string apart from that exception name, then you need to have a constructor. Okay. Then that's it. Okay. Then no. What I'm trying to say, if you are passing a string apart from this class, okay, something like a meaningful message, then you need to have a constructor over in this class. Okay.
ఓకే మెసేజ్ ఏమైనా ప్రింట్ చేయాలంటే కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఉండాలా
Yes, correct. Because you need to send this message, right? So this sending a message, if you see, this is a parameterized constructor. Am I correct? A constructor with arguments, nothing but a parameterized one. No, then you need to have a parameterized constructor. Okay. I think I have told you, the default constructor will be created automatically by the JVM, but the parameterized one, it won't be created. Okay. That's the reason. Okay. Okay. That's it. And see, now Manohar, is that clear?
ఎస్ బట్ సూపర్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్టీఆర్ అని ఎందుకు రాసావు అక్కడ
Yeah. See, that is, we need to pass to the parent classes. You need to pass, if you want to print, because it's a runtime exception, no? See, this is the error message, no? When you are printing, no? That is error message being printed by default exception handler, right? So you need to send this str to the default exception handler by using superof. Okay?
ఓకే
Got it right? Yeah, that is, you need to just remember, that's fine. But even if you willing to know, that's very good. Yeah. But now you have got it, you got it clarity, right?
ఎస్ ఎస్
Okay. See, ultimate thing is you need to send it to the parent classes. That's the thing you need to remember. Okay.
సో ఆ సూపర్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్టీఆర్ అని ఏదైతే డిఫైన్ చేసో అది డిఫాల్ట్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ హ్యాండ్లర్ కి
Send చేస్తుంది. Yes, see.
మనం ఏదైతే వాల్యూ
Yes, correct. Please enter age above 18. Okay. So now the error message is more meaningful, right? అంతే కదా? అంతే కదా? Now we'll see now extends exception. Now my ageless exception will be what? It is a checked exception. Ante kada? Am I correct? I told you, if there is a checked exception, you need to have either try catch or throws keyword. Am I correct? Okay. So again, if you are using a try catch, then there is no point of throwing exception, right? See, you are throwing this exception to stop the program abruptly because the guy age is less than 18. You want the program to be stopped. Am I correct? Because there is nothing to do. Okay. Then it is better to go with throws, right? Because instead of try catch means it will again make abnormal to normal. That we don't want, right? Am I correct? See, it is suggesting only add throws declaration only. Okay. That's it. Okay. Guys, is that clear now? Okay. See, now 13. Now let me enter 13. See, the same thing, but only the thing is, if you're extending from exception, make sure that will comes under checked exception, and you need to do throws or try catch. And the only concept is, if you're handling the try catch, then there is no concept. See, here you are throwing exception because something is gone wrong. You want the quick response time. Then make sure that should be handling with throw keyword. Okay, guys, is that clear?
సో సెట్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ యూస్ చేస్తే పక్కాగా థ్రోసే యూజ్ చేయాలి.
Because if you use try catch, it won't be delegated, right, to DH. Am I correct? Then the ultimate purpose of the throw keyword is to stop the program abruptly, right? Then what is the concept of again handling try catch? You got it right? That's it, guys. Okay, that's how you need to create a checked exception. Sorry, checked custom exception and unchecked custom exception. Okay, I'm pasting the code. Okay, just go through it. Guys, this is the end of exception handling, okay?
వేరే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది
నిన్న పేస్ట్ చేయలేదా నేను?
నిన్న పేస్ట్ చేయలేదు.
చేయలేదా?
నిన్న ఈ థ్రోస్ అవన్నీ చెప్పావు కదా, అది పేస్ట్ చేయలేదు థ్రో అది.
ఓకే. లేదో తెలియదు.
సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్లో కూడా ఇప్పుడు మనం థ్రోని యూజ్ చేయాలంటే పక్కగా వేరే క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఆ క్లాస్ లోని మనకి కావాల్సిన
కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ సెపరేట్ క్లాస్ ఫర్ దట్ అండ్ యూ నీడ్ టు దట్ క్లాస్ షుడ్ యాక్షన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎయిదర్ రన్ టైమ్ ఎక్సెప్షన్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెప్షన్. ఓకే.
సో మనం ఏదైతే ఎక్సెప్షన్ ని మనం క్రియేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం అదే నేమ్ తో క్లాస్ నేమ్ అదే ఫైల్ నేమ్ అదే క్లాస్ నేమ్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
కరెక్ట్. yes, that's correct. ఓకే గైస్, అది ఆ నోట్స్ దొరకట్లేదు, చూస్తా ఒకసారి అది ఎక్కడ ఉందో. ఓకే, బట్ ఈవెంట్ నోట్స్ అయితే పెడతాను. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ స్టాప్ షేరింగ్. ఓకే, Neha, that's the end of exception. Okay, tomorrow from Monday we'll start multi-threading. Okay.